question. Yeah, so what is a square, a rhombus? So to find that, let's first see what is a square. I'll just write the question is square a rhombus. So basically, I'll just first write the properties of a rhombus. So the let's see what the properties are given here. So a rhombus is something. I'll choose the eraser. Yeah, so a rhombus is kind of this figure in which we have let's say A, B, C, D. So in a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal, which means AB equals to BC equal to CD equal to AD. And this is the one property of rhombus. Now the another property of rhombus is that opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are parallel. Just go with this. So in this case, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Now, what it is saying that opposite angles are equal. So basically, these angles are equal. I'll just write how. So angle ADC equals to angle ADC equals to angle ABC and angle DAB equals to angle DAB DCB. Now the diagonals meet in the middle at a right angle. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So let me draw the diagonals. Yeah. So these two bisect each other. So and they are at right angle. So I'll not write for the right angle. It is just a common sense. And I'll just write. So let the center point as O. So DO equals to OB and AO equals to OC. So this states the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So at 90 degrees not mentioned here, but yeah, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. So these are the properties for a rhombus. So let us write for a square. Now I might not be able to make a perfect square, but I will try. I'll write it as PQRS. I need to draw the diagonals. Yeah, so I will write 90 because a square has 90. So in a square, all these sides are equal. So all these sides are equal, which means PQ equal to QS equal to SR equal to PR. PR. Now, for a square, the opposite sides are parallel to each other, and yeah, so the opposite sides are parallel. So let me write PQ is parallel to RS and PR is parallel to QS. Now, for a square, we don't have the property that opposite angles are equal, because eventually they are going to be equal. So for a square, all the angles or the interior angles are equal to 90 degree. So angle PRS equals to angle PRS RSQ equal to angle RSQ is done SQP equal to angle QPR. PR is equals to 90 degree. And again, the diagonals in square also, the diagonals bisect each other. I'll just write this point as O. So again, in the square, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So this makes a 90 degree angle. And just with basic maths, we can tell that this angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45, this angle is 45, and this is 90. So this is a right angle triangle. So diagonals bisect each other. So I will write PO equal to OS and RO equal to OQ. Yeah. So these are pretty much all the properties for the square. So let us compare the properties of square and rhombus. So for a square, opposite all the sides are equal, and for rhombus also all the sides are equal. So first condition is matching. So I'll just take it here. I'll take with green color. So first condition is done. Then second condition, these sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel. So AB should be parallel to DC and AD should be parallel to BC. So in square also opposite sides are parallel. PQ is parallel to RS and PR is parallel to QS. So second condition is also done. The third condition is opposite angles are equal. So here in this case, this angle is equals to this angle, and this one angle at D equals to angle at B. In square, the angle at P is 90 degree and angle at S is also 90 degree. So these both are equal. So opposite angles are equal here. For R and S also, angle at R is 90 and angle at Q is 90. So again, the opposite angles are equal. So opposite angle condition is also satisfied. Again, in a square also, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So this condition is also satisfied. We can see that here we have AO equal to OC, we have PO equal to OS, PO equal to OS, and again here we can see we have DO equal to OB, and we have RO equal to OQ. So again, the condition is satisfied. So we can say that a square is a rhombus. So every square is going to be a rhombus, but the opposite is not true. So every rhombus is not a square, because the condition for a rhombus to be a square is that all the interior angles should be 90 degree, and in every rhombus this condition is not satisfied. So the a square is a rhombus, but the opposite is not true. So the solution given, but not all properties can be found in a rhombus. That is why it is true that a square is a rhombus, but a rhombus is not a square. Correct answer. Correct solution. Great job. Solution is correct. We'll go to another question.